Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I've posted a video. I haven't been doing a whole lot of things that I could post for the past while, but getting back into that. This one is just a little resin top table. Did that make sense? Resin tabletop. And underneath there's some hardware that's attached and 3 legs go onto the bottom. It's a real simple little table, just a little end table. But it's got a really nice it's quite heavy. It's made of a stoneware of some sort, and it's got quite the edge around it. I taped it up so much because I'm very messy and I didn't want to make a mess all around the edges with my hands. So in there we have some clear and some pearlescent creamy color, and there's all earth tones. There's a gray and a copper. There's a bronze and a sort of a custom mixture of a brown, and of course gold. And there's a bit of a silver aluminum color in there as well. The gray is quite opaque and really floats on the top. So the colors underneath that were in the little cup that I poured, it's kind of floating on top of them all. So we have to work a little bit to get that moved around and just do some designing along the way. And once it's at a point I was happy with it, I just let it cure. And then that was that. So I'll just let you watch. There's no music here, so I hope you have some music for yourself, and I hope you're having a happy holiday season thus far. And we'll get back to posting some videos pretty soon. Hope you enjoy this little resin pour. So at this point I'm just figuring out what I'm going to do about that gray and that little tadpole-y looking thing that I just put in there. But really I'm just trying to get all the colors down, and then I'll move it all around and stick around to the end, because then you can see how you can easily change resin up from looking, at this point like this to once you've finished with all your heating and moving around, and then it just sort of starts to sit and cure. The design itself sort of starts to come through for you. So I'm really happy with it at the end of all this, but there always is an ugly stage. So I hope you stay to the end and see the end result. Well, here we are at the end result. It's all cured, and I will just have the legs attached at some point. And I've removed all the tape. I didn't make too much of a mess. And I was really striving here for a very naturally sort of earth tone color palette here. I wanted to sort of reflect, I like agate and things like that, so I would do things a little different next time as far as how much gray I added, but I really do love the color of the gray. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and seeing the transformation of the ugly blobs to this. It is quite nice. I'm really quite happy with how it turned out. Thanks for stopping by, and I will post some more videos in the near future. Thanks, and have a great evening.